All of you. Today our new topic is about water. Now, water is very important in our life because all the living creatures need water to sustain in this earth. If there will be no water, then there will be no life. So, there is a slogan: if there will be water, there will be life, and if there will be no water, then there will be no life. So, water is very necessary for all the living creature. Just like the air, if there will be no air, then there will be no living creature. As like water, all living things need water for survive. Now we get water from the rain. As you see, when the clouds from the clouds the rain occur, we get it. Now rain falls from the cloud in the sky. As I told you, when you look over the up the sky, the clouds coming from the all the rains comes through the our earth. Now rainwater fills lakes, ponds, river and seas. Yes, you have seen that nearby your surrounding there are many ponds and lakes, river. So and far you have seen that seas. When the rain occur, they all these examples fill up due to water, because when the rain occur, it's rain very heavily, and all the water coming from the sky again deposited into these lakes, pond, river and seas. Now we will learn how to use the water. Now we need water to do many things. We all know that without water we can't sustain, and in each and everything mostly we need water. Suppose we use water to brush our teeth, we use water to clean utensils, we use water to have a bath, and we water the plant. These all are the common example of our daily life which we do regularly, and without this we can't sustain. Now water is very useful to all of us. We must not waste the water because there is very less quantity of water, fresh water left in this earth for drinking purpose. So we store the water on buckets and pots. Now we store water in many ways. At home we store water in the buckets and pot, and it is also stored in the large water tank. But the large water tank can't be made by each and every person because it costs very much. So mostly the person keep the water in buckets and pots, and the water tank has been made by the government to collect the large quantity of water in it. So they common people can get water easily. Now very large quantity of water is collected in dams and carried by the canals. You have seen in your book that there is example of the dam, the third one. You can see that in this dam a large quantity of water has been stored, and this water has been transferred as much it's required with the help of the canals. You can see the example of the canals, and again you can see the first picture, the water tank. This water tank helps people to provide water with the supply with the pipes digging in the inside the ground, and the water has been collected in its tank and it's supplied to the whole houses of these cities. These are the example by which we can store the water in a large quantity. Now drinking water should be stored in clean vessel. It is very important that we should must store the water in a clean vessel. We should keep drinking water covered so that it does not become dirty. Drinking water, drinking dirty water makes us ill. So we should must close the water tightly, because unwanted necessary material which are flying in the sky can be fall down into our water and makes it dirty. And we should clean the vessels where we store the water. It is very necessary, and we should must keep in mind that we should always clean the vessels and must keep the water tight, because clean water makes our body fit and fine, and the unhygiene water makes us ill. And with the help of a clean water we can fight with the different disease, and if the water is dirty then we can't fight, we will fall suddenly ill. Now you can see the example. Take the jug in which water is stored properly. Now you can see there are two options of the jug. Now first one is open water and second one is fully tight. So we can properly keep the water in a tight jug because it do not allow the other material to come inside it, and it's a proper way by which we can keep water in a proper condition, which can make safe the water and makes us proper fit and do not allow to make our body unhygiene. So the second one is the right one. We can store water properly.